Alright everyone, we're gonna go over Omen Zonefx 15. We're gonna keep it really simple and kind of explain what's really happening and how to trade this. So let's just arbitrarily start here. Price comes down and we're right around in this area. Alright, so what's happening here is these zones are trying to give you strong levels of support and resistance. And these levels are colored based off of which way it's wanting price to go. It doesn't necessarily mean price is going that way. It's saying for right now, it's saying, hey, we're bullish. But what's more importantly is price action. Where's price in consideration to these lines? Well, when price comes up, we're above the line. So this is a bullish here. So we're going to, when price comes up and closes above and prints two lines, these are our entry positions. We can put a limit order here and we can put a limit order here. And you can see as price goes along, it comes down and it fills and it goes up. And you can see there is a new zone printed right here. So this is our limit order here, and this is our other limit order here. And this one fills and goes up. And you can see it fills and fills. And you can do this all on the line, and as price kind of consolidates, maybe get a little more picky about your trades. And you can see these lines here. Well, this is Omen TP, and what it's trying to do is calculate where you could potentially take profit and where wicking candles are going to go. So as price kind of starts consolidating in this area, it might be smart to start placing some positions here and here to catch these wicks. And you can see as price starts consolidating, it starts bouncing off of this first TP line. Well, so I would draw a line right here, and this would be my first fill order instead of here now, because price keeps wanting to go to this area. And so as we go along, price goes and it closes below the line. Well, you can kind of see right here how price, is right on the border of closing. Well, what really matters is price breaking through and really closing below. We're not looking for something that's just right at the line. We're looking at something that makes a real move past it. So price closes down below, and then as I was saying here, because I would have a line here, this is where price consistently wanted to go to. So this is where I'd place my short, right here on the first TP line, and price would fill and price goes down. And you can see here we have a new line printed right here, an Omen Zonefx 15 line printed, and so I would start putting my short limit orders in here. And I would obviously probably stack one up here somewhere just to try to catch these longer wicks. So price is going, and we're consistently making trades. If you're wanting to make longer trades, switch to a longer time frame. If you're happy making these quick profits, go for it. If you start getting into these consolidation ranges, maybe make a rule that you're just going to take the bottom line for the long and the top line for the short, and this will be your sell area and this will be your buy area, and you just constantly ping pong around and make your trades. So you can see here price breaks up and it closes, makes a good move, and we have a long printed. So we would place our orders here and we'd place our orders here and we take it for the long. And you can look through all the charts and it's gonna, I need to slide over a little bit. Yeah, so price comes down. This would be where I would try to catch the wick. We unfortunately don't make it. And you can see how it ping pongs around and goes around here. And price clearly comes up and we have a long green Omen zone. So I would place my limit order here, and this one fills and takes off. And you can look back through all of this. It's going to keep bouncing off of it consistently. So that's how you use it, and that's the most basic way. And if you don't get greedy and you take profits over and over and over, you can see all the trades that you could make all through here, and you can see how the TP line falls between the Omen zone. So you know this is going to be another strong resistance level. So stack your orders on it, make some money, be consistent, don't get greedy, and